Hey guys, Sylwia here and welcome to my secret affiliate system review. So in this secret affiliate system review, I'll explain to you what this product is all about. Okay, it is going live today, so it's Wednesday and today is the 24th of August and it has been released by Glenn Kosky, a very well-known vendor on Warrior Plus, a platform which is notorious for releasing so-called shiny objects. Okay, in this review, I'll go through the sales page. I know very well what the product is all about. I've got some screenshots of the members area. Well, I'm not promoting this product, so I didn't even bother applying for my affiliate link or getting the review access. I mean, after having done well over 200 reviews, I can spot a shiny object straight away, and I am telling you right off the bat, it is one of those. If you don't believe me, stay with me, guys, till the end. And also, if you're serious about making real money online, guys, yeah, I would highly recommend you to check out free offers that I recommend to any of my viewers, and I have got and tried and tested these products myself, and I'll attach the link below my review so you can go ahead and check them out yourselves. They are totally free, so nothing to lose, and they will teach you the basics of the basics and beyond, okay, of affiliate marketing and what it is all about and how to bring traffic, okay, because no product will make you money. What will make you money online is the traffic, so you need to learn how to generate that traffic from the foundation, and don't think there's such a thing as getting rich quick, making money online just like that, as this, latest launch by Glenn Kosky is promising you. So yeah, wake up and let's carry on with my review. Alright, I'll talk to you later. I mean, I'll be talking to you all the time, but I'll come back to you later with my short conclusion on this product and just to say bye, right? Okay, the proper way. Alright, let's dig in, guys. So we are right on the sales page of Secret Affiliate system. As you can see, this pop-up of claim your $3 off, okay, will pop up at some point as you're scrolling up and down the sales page, and just when you're about to exit and say no thank you to them, this will pop up, and are you sure? Do you really not want to take advantage of this $3 off? I'm thinking about it again, right? So instead of $17, you could just get it for $14 and it's all yours. This amazing system that has been making us so much money. Anyhow, what do they say here? So they say this new business system works worldwide and on all devices. Well, I shall hope so, right? That it works on all devices. Anyhow, limited time only for anyone who wants to clone our $30,000 plus per month passive automated recurring affiliate commission system without funnels, sending emails, or doing anything technical. So basically it works like magic, sounds to me. Okay, guys, what they are basically talking about is that, they'll give you some squiz pages, thank you pages, some kind of like landing pages, yeah, that would be sending, that you would be sending to your traffic. But where would the traffic come from? Well, that is the question that nobody will answer here for you, okay? Because for free traffic, you have to, work your butt off hard, okay? And it takes time. It takes time, patience, and so much determination, okay? For paid traffic, well, you have to take your wallet out of your pocket and pay for it, and it's not that great anyway. So, yeah, but they are talking about that you'd be promoting stuff like, let's say, Aweber, GetResponse, Canva, this and that, okay, when someone would get it from you, I'll show you the members area in a sec. If someone would get those products from you, from your affiliate link, then you would be getting recurring commissions. And that is the case. You know, those platforms like GetResponse and blah, 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 they do pay recurring monthly commissions. But again, having a squeeze page is not, or an opt-in page or a landing page for it is not the rocket science here, okay? The rocket science is getting the traffic to your offers, okay? And that is always something, you know, these, BS products never deliver on. That's just the truth, okay? What can I say? And then they say push button system. Okay, now when you see this push button system, run for the hills. Okay, put your track shoes on and run. Okay, so they claim this push button system lets you clone our done for you passive recurring income system that makes us $30,000 per month. Okay, amazing. Okay, guys, do you know what makes them this something per month or even more? Okay, creating shiny objects on Warrior Plus. And just to prove my point, where was it? Okay, this is, as you can see, I didn't even bother applying for the link, but this is the vendor, Glenkowski, and that's for his secret affiliate system. So this launch here, and let me just show you his profile on Warrior Plus, and let me just show you what makes him this money, okay? What makes him this money is creating such shiny objects. Okay, he's already created 55 products, okay? So basically he launches every 2 weeks, every month or so, one of these products, shiny objects. These products, okay, I have reviewed many of them. You can check out my, YouTube channel for for the reviews of many of his products. And yeah, I remember so well, reviewing many of Glenkowski's products, okay, yeah. And yeah, that's how he makes his money. That's how he gets his leads. And there's nothing wrong with creating products. Okay, but do you really need to create 55 products? What about creating just 2, 3, 5, let's say max 5 products, like evergreen products that work, and, just keep maintaining them. But the problem here with these shiny objects, they are released, they are launched on Warrior Plus, okay, and then once the launch is over, after a week, they say bye to the product, okay, they forget about it, they just abandon it and move on to creating another shiny object. And that's how they make these amazing commissions, okay? Okay. Maybe they do, well, what did I want to say? Maybe they do. Of course they do. Also, oh my goodness, I totally forgot my point. I was gonna say that they also promote products like Aweber, GetResponse, Canva, this and that, way more, with recurring commissions. But, they have the traffic for it. They have a huge email list. From what? From creating shiny objects on Warrior Plus, again, okay, here, and getting all of the leads from naive newbies who buy these products, which promise them heaven on earth and stuff like that, and just waste the money. But nevertheless, they give the email addresses to these vendors, and then these vendors will send them emails with new offers, and that's how they make the money. Okay. Now, I don't have the patience to go through all of this, nonsense here. The sales page, as you can see, it's super lengthy. Forget about that. Let me just show you and of course there is this funnel. Of course, the front end is only 17 of 14 if you get this $3 off, okay? But then, of course, as soon as you get the front end, you will get hit by the whole funnel of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe even 7 or 8. 6, only 6 guys this time. Oh, what's wrong with you? Okay, the OTO number 1, unlimited. OTO number 2, done for you. OTO number 3, unlimited traffic. Ooh, great. OTO number 4, automation. OTO number 5, ATM additional. ATM, yeah, I'm just gonna get the cash out. OTO number 6, license rights, which means you can purchase this. I mean, with this upsell, if you get it, you get the access. I mean, you get 100% commission across the whole funnel, so you can promote this amazing offer yourself, you know. But why don't you make it your core offer? You know, and you get 100% commission across this entire, you know, mind-blowing funnel. I mean, I do hope you're getting my sarcasm here. What did I want to show you? Oh, okay, on this JV page, I mean, I was just wondering, why don't you just give me access to this amazing product so I can look into it, okay, and see if it's worth promoting. Excuse-moi. Okay, no access. Why not? I want to see it for myself. Why did I want to go and watch other people's products? I mean, excuse me, guys. Product reviews to see what the members area looks like, and I have the screenshots here. Why did I have to do it? Why don't you just give me the review access? What do you have to hide? Okay, that's my question. Well, they have a lot to hide because they know, like, honest reviewers will just see through this nonsense, okay, once they actually log into the members area and check out what this product is exactly all about. But I had to go an extra mile, watch some reviews, and let me show you. So this is what is happening here. Alright, so bear with me, guys. Let me just open this one up. So as you can see, this is the members area, okay, and then you have, okay, as you can see, you have a bunch of features here. I mean, like, seriously, free traffic system. Yeah, right. It's gonna be free. The free traffic is on the high street, guys. For the free traffic to work for you, you're gonna have to work your butt off, as I said, okay, because it does not come easily. It requires a lot of work, and the free traffic sources is either YouTube or it's either blogging, okay. And another amazing source of traffic is building your own email list. If you want to do that, definitely check out the free offer I have for you in the description box, because you have to learn how to do it properly. Building an email list is not just with, 2 clicks and push button stuff. It's, you have to provide value, and then you have to nurture that email list, and so on and so forth. So learn how to do it properly. Don't believe it's easy, or don't believe that buying solo ads is the solution, okay? Because those people from solo ads, who come to you from solo ads, it's cold traffic. They don't know you. So don't think they will, they will buy from you or trust you, and they will be like recurring business for you. Yeah, just do the business the proper way. It's gonna take you longer, but it will sustain you, okay? It will serve you well for years to come. But as you can see, so many options inside of this members area, and then you will have to hook up your autoresponders. I think they give you a few options: get response, Aweber, or even some like free autoresponder apparently. But I would not rely on any free autoresponder that they, give you, because what guarantee do you have that they will be maintaining this product in the first place? Okay, what guarantee do you have? The bottom truth here is that they do abandon the product and move on to creating another shiny object. And that is the never-ending story with these vendors. So, yeah, that's what it is, guys. Oh, you've got some case study. Anyhow, what you would need to do, first sort out this autoresponder, then go to affiliate links, and then let me show you. Is it here? Okay, so basically, you would go to these platforms. You can see these platforms like Fiverr, TubeBuddy, Udemy, that's for solo ads, Canva is amazing, but you can do, hardly ever will you make anyone upgrade to Pro, because with the free version of Canva you can do pretty much anything. I still haven't upgraded Canva. I'm using a free account, so please forget about making commissions from promoting Canva. People will still stick to the free account forever and ever, trust me. Aweber and probably get response, this and that. Yeah, they do pay recurring commissions, guys, if you promote these products as an affiliate. But how are you gonna get the traffic? Okay, how? Do you have a YouTube channel? Do you do blogging? Do you have an email list? No, probably not, especially if you're a newbie in affiliate marketer. So yeah, the fact that they give you some squeeze pages, opt-in pages is not a big deal. I mean, if you want to get it, go get it from someone else. Guys, you will have some sort of done for you stuff. Yeah, you will have set up funnels here. Yeah, fine, but bringing traffic to it is the big deal. Okay. So my recommendation is forget about this nonsense. Okay, it's not gonna make you money. It's not gonna, forget about it, because it's not gonna make you money how they claim on the sales page. My goodness, it's so lengthy. Did they go crazy or what? I mean, they always make these super lengthy sales pages. But to make this, forget it, never ever. With this nonsense. Okay, my recommendation is go to the link below my review, guys, and if you really are serious about making, legit, creating a legit source of income online, check out this, Google Doc. It will give you access to these free traffic courses. Yeah, courses on traffic, and the Lazy Commission is gonna cover the basis of affiliate marketing, okay, and it goes to great lengths on how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Then you will have traffic end game on how to generate traffic, free organic traffic, guys. Learn that, okay? Understand the basics first. And then email marketing secrets on how to do the email marketing in a professional way and how to make sure your emails will actually hit the primary inbox instead of landing in the junk box and never be read by your clients. Okay, just click on these links here. They'll take you to these offers. You just sign up and enjoy them. They're free. Yeah. Any questions, guys? Hi again. Any questions? Just pop them down below my review. I'll get back to you once I see them. Give me some YouTube love if you enjoyed this honest review on Secret Affiliate System by Glenn Kosky. My recommendation for you is stay away from products like that. Well, if you want to get it, if you insist, since you insist, you will have to go and get it from someone else, because I refuse to promote nonsense, and I believe it is really nonsense. And I do not like the claims on the sales page because they do not go hand in hand with the actual product. Well, what can I say? Anyhow, see you in my next review. Thank you so much for your time. Again, check out this Google Doc that will give you access to free, amazing courses with an amazing vendor. You will not regret, checking them out and learning how to set up your online business the proper way. All right, thank you. See you in my next video.